If you're trying to link an autoresponder with a landing page in AWeber, this is the exact process to do it, and I'll also cover a faster, easier way at the end. First, inside AWeber, go to Landing Pages and either create a new page or edit an existing one. Every landing page in AWeber is automatically linked to a specific list. This is important because when someone opts in, they'll be added to that list, and that's where your autoresponder sequence comes in. Next, you'll need to set up your autoresponder sequence. Go to Messages, then Campaigns, and create a new campaign. Choose whether you want it to trigger immediately or based on a delay, and then start adding your emails. You can add as many follow-ups as you want, setting delays between them to control when subscribers receive each one. Now, go back to your landing page settings and double-check that it's connected to the right email list. This ensures that every new subscriber automatically enters your autoresponder sequence without any manual work. One issue with AWeber's landing pages is the limited customization and design options. If you want a more flexible, high-converting landing page, you might need a separate tool like ClickFunnels or System.io, which also have built-in autoresponders, saving you the hassle of integrations. Speaking of integrations, if you're using an external landing page builder, you'll need to connect it manually. In most cases, this means grabbing the AWeber API key from your account settings and pasting it into the third-party platform's integration section. Some builders like Leadpages and Unbounce have direct AWeber integrations, but others may require a tool like Zapier to bridge the gap. The biggest downside? AWeber's automation features are pretty basic compared to competitors like ActiveCampaign or GetResponse, which offer more advanced workflows and segmentation. So, if you're serious about automating your email follow-ups and want a smoother experience, I highly recommend checking out the better alternative I found. It's easier to use, gives you more flexibility with landing pages, and has automation that actually makes your life easier. You can get a free trial through the first link in the description with exclusive benefits just for our viewers.